Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Salem County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, south central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Newtown Square to near Arden, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. The storm also has a history of producing wind damage. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Vineland, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Pennsville, Lumberton, Belmore, Yadden, and Westbound. People attending PA's explosion response and recovery should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicles through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, and Salem. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 10:15 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southwest of Fort Smallwood State Park to near Guston Hall, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Blackownet Point, Bloody Point Light, James Island, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliffs, Butler Island, Gilman Island, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather